Upanshu Chaudhary from class 5 of PVPS Noida, and today I will tell you how maths and nature are connected to the beautiful Fibonacci sequence using a flower pattern. Well, do you know what is a Fibonacci sequence? Let me tell you. The Fibonacci sequence is a series where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers, like 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence was introduced to Europe by the great mathematician Leonardo of Pisa, also known as Fibonacci. I have made these flowers using an origami. They all have 8 petals. 8 is a Fibonacci number. If you look closely, you can also count the number of petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I also made this ginormous one and these cute little tiny ones. Aren't they really cute? Fibonacci numbers are found in many places in nature, like the seeds of a sunflower, spiral shells of a flame, pine cones, and the way leaves grow on a plant. Learning Fibonacci helps us understand patterns in nature and science. I enjoyed making these flowers and learning how math is a part of the natural world. Thank you.